Look at the throughput metrics here. We are exceeding target capacity.
Impressive. The new gate mechanisms are performing well.
All vitals are within the green zone today.
And the water consumption is steady.
The moisture levels look consistent in drum 3. Yes, the absorption rate is exactly where it should be.
Check the grain on this black one. Looks consistent with the others. Go ahead and scan it.
Here in the finishing tunnel, the dyed lambskins are carefully dried and polished, bringing out the rich color depth and exquisite sheen of the leather.
Here in the inspection zone, every seam is magnified. If a defect is found, the system immediately diverts the piece.
Look at the reading on this red sample here.
It's holding up better than the last batch. I'll note the variance.
Inside the laser trimming zone, high-speed cutters refine the edges, removing microscopic irregularities with sparks and intense precision.
This final approval corridor ensures every garment meets our meticulous standards before shipment.
According to the data here, those 3 pallets are cleared.
All right, I'll send them through the fast track.
We have a bottleneck forming in the Pacific corridor. Reroute the Shanghai shipment through the southern route.
Confirmed. Rerouting initiated. ETA updated.
That's the last box of the puffers. All right, moving this rack up front now.
If we look at the material usage rate here, we've exceeded our targets for responsible sourcing.
And the life cycle assessment.
Look at the energy curve stabilize. The new algorithm is a success.
Yes, carbon output is well within the target range now.
Preserved within this climate-controlled vault are the benchmarks of our heritage, the reference lambskin jackets that define our commitment to quality.
The reflectivity changes with the light source.
Right.
See how the digital model reacts.
If we integrate the mesh here, it reinforces the structure.
We utilize the seamless bonding technique here on the cuff.
The weight is perfect. It really elevates the entire line.
The simulation suggests a 20% increase for Q3. Based on these historical samples, that aligns perfectly with the projected market growth.
The bottleneck is clearly in the stitching phase. Look at the data.
By optimizing this seam, we reduce time by 50%.
Keep your movements steady and follow the guideline here. That ensures the seam is perfect before the next step.
The emergency stop is clearly marked and accessible.
Noted. The guards look secure and the spacing is compliant. Through advanced cataloging and automated sorting, components are dispatched with unprecedented efficiency.
We've synchronized the process logs with the new system.
Perfect. This ensures full compliance with the new regulations.
The resource allocation is stabilizing faster than projected.
The optimization algorithm is maintaining peak efficiency across the board.
The Karachi facility is showing a surplus in grade A hides.
Reroute half to the Morocco pipeline by 1400 hours.
Confirmed, the adjustment is live across the network.
If we reroute the assembly line here, the augmented path shows a 15% efficiency gain.
The preservation of these samples is crucial to understanding the evolution of tanning techniques over the last century.
The textile sample shows better durability here.
Yes, and the real-time data confirms the stress resistance.
Let's cross-reference that with the factory output projections for Q3.
Zone 3 stabilization is complete.
Good, the yield projection is holding steady for the ultra soft.